A room tour of 5202 at Ocean Club East in Turks and Caicos, Providenciales. This is your room key. You can wear it as a bracelet, you can put it in your bag, just put it kind of near the lock, and then it will go ahead and open for you. When you first walk in, you can see that there is a kitchen straight ahead, and then there is also a living area off to the right. So let's go ahead and we're going to take a look into the kitchen first. So this is a full kitchen here. You have a stove and an oven. Those are fully functional, electric oven, and then also an electric stove. There's a toaster that's here. They're already salt and pepper shakers, paper towels. There is a dishwasher in the kitchen. There's a coffee maker. There's a blender. There's a microwave. You've got your full fridge and freezer here. And then there are a ton of cabinets in here. They all have everything you could possibly need when you are on vacation and you want to go ahead and make something to eat while you are here. So I'm not going to open every single drawer, but just to give you an idea, you have all of your knives, forks, spoons, cutlery, as well as just here you can see anything you might possibly want to make, from corkscrews to measuring cups and more. And then below here you have every possible cooking implement that you might want. So you can make pretty much anything that you want, although there are obviously restaurants on site both here and at Ocean Club West, the sister property. There is a writing desk that is right here, and this has information about the ocean clubs and how they work, as well as your phone. And then you've got your entertainment center, and of course the requisite TV, because that's what you have everywhere. And then this is the patio. For me, it is technically a deck, I guess, because we're on the second floor, but that looks out, and I'll show you the view in a moment. There is plenty of seating here, and then there is both a dining room table that seats 6, and then there are also 3 chairs here that are bar stools. So if you want to just sit and eat at the island or the kitchen peninsula, you are able to do that as well. You're going to notice a lot of these windows that have what look like shades on them. They are all openable for you. They don't slide open, but they let the air in and the light in if you would like, so you have that access as well. And I will also point out that this actually is a sofa bed. So you have a queen size sofa bed, so you can sleep additional people here, which is part of the reason there are so many seats for that piece of it. And then you've got your end table, lamps, and then we'll go ahead and take a look outside. Just so you know too, this is a light switch and fan control, so you can control that. But here, just gonna do your usual, open up your slider. There is a high top here that has seating for 4, as well as a chaise lounge and a small table. So you want to sit out here and enjoy a drink, whatever the case may be. This is all screened in, which is nice, so that there are no bugs that come in and join you while you're sitting out here. You can just kind of take a quick look. There is one of the pools and then the beach straight ahead. And then there is also a second pool that is right here around some of the other buildings, so you can see exactly what this looks like. We're going to go ahead and head back inside. And then just so you know too, when you are inside, if you push this all the way, that does actually lock it, and then you can go ahead and push this down in order to unlock it. But if you try to do it here, it does not want to go up. So just in case you think that your lock is broken, know that it is not you, it is the door. So we'll go ahead and continue on down the hallway, which is right past the kitchen, just to orient you a little bit. You do have a half bath right here with a mirror and a pedestal sink, as well as the bath toilet. There are also amenities here for your soap that includes what you need. So yes, that was the phone ringing. That was the front desk calling to make sure that everything was okay in the room, just if that gives you an idea of the kind of service that is here. And then here is something that is quite lovely. You have a washer and a dryer. So if you need to do laundry while you're here, you have that ability, and this does include 2 containers of laundry detergent that you can use while you're here as well. And then if you continue on, this door right here does not open, so don't try. This is the primary bedroom. It does have a king size bed, as well as nightstands on either side, a dresser, and then there is a mirror so that you have some room to get ready. There is a ceiling fan in this room as well. And then you do also have a alarm clock over in the corner on this part of the bed. And this is where I'm going to show you how these windows work. So you just kind of come and you're going to twist to the left, to the right, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, but it's backwards. So you're going to twist, and then this opens up. So you can see it's still screened right here, but it does open up the shades so you can look out, have breeze come in and so forth. However, it is humid and hot, and we are not going to go ahead and do that currently. And I'm going to get this backwards every time because I keep thinking lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and it is the backwards. To make sure that there's no air that comes out, I'm just going to tighten that up as much as I possibly can. There is also a chair in here, so if you want to sit down and get ready. And then also you have a walk-in closet here, as well as a television in this room as well. So coming on into the walk-in closet, doors open, you note that there are actually 2 laundry baskets in here, as well as an ironing board and an iron in case you want to do some ironing. There are plenty of hangers to hang your clothes if needed. And then there also are additional sheets and pillows, and that is for the fold-out couch in the other room. The other thing that is in here is a safe. So if you just go ahead and open this up, it is not a huge safe. It's somewhat narrow, so not quite the span of my hand, but it's about this far from my end of my hand, part of halfway down my palm, and then this is the size of it. So I would guess that I could not fit my laptop in here. If I could, maybe I can fit it, but definitely you can fit your jewelry, iPads, passports, and those kinds of things in here as needed. And then when you want to use it, you're gonna go ahead and put in any code you want, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and press lock. You probably want to see that, don't you? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then lock, and it will lock. And then to open it, you do 1, 2, 3, 4 again, and it will go ahead and open all on its own there. If you would prefer to do that, you can use any credit card and just swipe the credit card and it will lock, and then you have to slide it again from right to left and that will unlock it. That said, that means that you have to have a credit card that everyone in your family has access to. So I prefer to use the 1, 2, 3, 4 pound, except I'm going to use more of a clever code than 1, 2, 3, 4. Also on the mirror in this primary bedroom, you have a full-length mirror on the back of the door, so that is another place for you to look around and get ready. And then there is one more bathroom that I will show you in this primary room. And this one also has a mirror. It does have a single sink, not a double sink, but there's plenty of counter space to get ready, and you do have the other half bath as well. There are additional amenities here. And then you've got all of the drawers and cabinets at this point. There's of course another toilet in here, and then you have a walk-in shower. So the walk-in shower does not have a door. It is just based on how it works. And then you have, again, shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner that is here, as well as the floor mat. I can't think of the word of it right now, which is really kind of sad, but it's been a really long day, so forgive me. And then you've got your shower. You've got both temperature control and temperature control, I should be more clear, is on this side, and then on off is on this side. And then there is also a handheld shower, as well as the rain shower design, so that you can get as much pressure as you would like in here. And then in your drawers, there is plenty of space to store things. And then the second drawer down here is where you're gonna have a hair dryer. It is one of the Revlon 1875 watt hair dryers. It is not ionic, but it works. It's a decent size hair dryer, and it does also have an attachment right here. So it's not the tiny little really wimpy ones, but depending upon how picky you are about your hair dryers and what you need for your own personal hair, that may work and you don't need to bring one, or you may want to bring one for your own. So again, this is Ocean Club East. This is a room tour of room 5208, which has 1 king bed. And then it also includes a living area with a full kitchen that has seating for 9, a pull-out couch, and then the full kitchen that does also, I should add, include not just the coffee maker, but you have the coffee condiments and the actual coffee itself, so you can have your coffee in the morning quite easily. But if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, come hang out at Ocean Club East or its sister property, Ocean Club West. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below.